Hello everyone, my name's Mandy. I'm Goldline Curling's office manager, and today I'm going to show you how to apply a Tuff toe coat to a Goldline curling shoe, just like you see on this Goldline Fuego. So the first thing that I've done is I have taken my shoe, which is in Azul, and I have used the sandpaper that's included in the Tuff toe kit. And I've just buffed along the area where I'm going to apply my toe coat. And I've also taken some painter's tape, you can do with a masking tape as well. And I've just lined off my area that I would like my toe coat to go. So right across the front of the shoe and right down here at the bottom of the shoe is where I want my toe coat to start and my toe coat to end. And then I've just pressed the tape down with my fingers so I get a nice clean edge. I'm also going to just put some plastic down so I don't get any toe coat material on my desk. And what I've done with my toe coat kit is you get this little plunger to put into the cartridge and this little piece that just helps you to be able to push down on the plunger. I've put a new tip in here that you get 2 tips with your Tuff toe kit. And what I've done is I've just expressed out about a ½ inch of material before I put the tip in. And then I'm gonna do that again now that I have the tip on there. Just express a little bit out before I touch my shoe with it. And now that I'm all ready to go, I'm just gonna start expressing the toe coat material on my shoe. Nice and smooth back and forth. It's almost about the consistency of a hot fudge. And you're just gonna keep dragging it along the shoe, making sure that you're coating all of the area. And don't worry if you get any air bubbles or you miss a little spot, because you can just drag it right back through that area so that you get a nice smooth finish. And out of one of these cartridges, you can toe coat about 4 to 5 shoes, depending on how much excess you're using. So once I get down to about the tip of my shoe, I'm noticing that I'm using quite a bit of excess. So I'm just gonna smooth it out with my tip and make sure that I'm getting all the way down to my working area so that I have everything covered. And I'm smoothing out any of the little air bubbles that I have here. And again, it's just kind of like a consistency of hot fudge. So it's pretty thick, but it spreads real nice and even. And I just keep going all the way down until I have covered my whole taped off area. And you can see I've gotten a little bit on the plastic on my desk, so it's a good thing that I've covered it off. And again, we're just sweeping back and forth, making sure we don't have any air bubbles. And then we're getting a nice smooth finish all the way down to our line that we have taped off. And now that I am all the way down to my line, I have my full shoe toe coated. I am just going to very carefully remove the tape so the tape doesn't get stuck in my toe coat. So we are going to remove that. And now you can see that I have nice clean edges on my toe coat. And I'm not going to want to touch that until it dries. So it takes a full 24 hours to cure. If you like a nice shiny finish like this, then you are done. You just leave it to dry until the 24-hour period has cured. If you like a matte finish, what you want to do is let it sit for about a ½ hour and then take your finger and lightly tap over the toe coat, and it'll take away the shiny finish for you and it'll give you a nice matte finish. So again, this is a toe coat on a Goldline curling shoe. Have a great day, everyone.